Fail.
Come on. Come on, Bill.
He's on level 7. All he gotta do is walk around in a circle. Do a little jig, Bill.
He's still freaking blue. Oh! Okay, he's about to get on yellow. About to get on yellow. What?
What? My brother's up.
Come on, Bill. Keep up steady. Keep it steady. What?
We gotta do this at the middle of the night.
I know, right?
Go out there to the grass.
It says no, do not do at night.
Yeah, that's how we're gonna do it. He's got all the colors of the rainbow. Oh, yellow.
Oh, he's yellow. It's getting
Oh, you lucky butt.
It's getting you yellowish.
If he stops, it goes all the way back to level red. They're doing Irish jig. So this is our holy crap! I almost fell out my booster seat. Don't laugh. I got cup holders.
Come on, green and yellow.
You're not supposed to break it, man.
Come on, green.
I think next is all the colors, right?
I got it.
Don't you dare. See who it is first. You've been at this for like 2 minutes. Started videoing when you started.
I said hello, but nobody answered, so I hung up. Oh my god!
Oh, it's on the rainbow.